Hey everyone! So today I would like to share my DIY experience with extending my visitor visa here in Canada. Essentially, with a visitor visa, you are allowed to stay inside Canada for up to 6 months. And if you want to stay longer, you need to apply for an extension at least a month before that 6-month period is up. And FYI, my exact 6-month stay here ends on July 28th, and I submitted my extension application on June 3rd. So it's like almost 2 months before my 6-month period ends. And on September 27, I received a positive update from IRCC. Yay! So, here are the documents that you need to prepare before submitting your extension application to IRCC. And, disclaimer, I am not immigration consultant. This is only and solely based on my experience. First off, you need to download IMM 5708 form, and you can easily find and download it on the IRCC website. Basically, you need to fill out that form, and second, scan your passport as clearly as possible. And also, you need to prepare your digital photo, and IRCC has required image size, so I'll just flash it on screen. Next, proof of fund. So you have to generate your bank statement for at least 3 months, or your sponsor's bank statement if you have one. Also, I attach my husband's 3 most recent payslip as supporting documents. In the client information section, I include a letter of request, proof of relationship such as photos, messages, or any other documents that proves you are truly together. Also, marriage license, my national ID, my husband's Alberta ID, and work permit, and also certificate of employment. I have here the table of contents. And I have the letter of request, proof of relationship, marriage license, national ID, Alberta, and work permit, and also certificate of employment. So what I did, I compiled everything into one PDF to upload in the client information section. So yeah, those are the documents that I prepared. So if you get any other documents that you think will strengthen your application, definitely add them in, because the more the better.